Thanks, Scott. Iron Man. Like, why'd you merge? What? I don't get it. You're on your phone the whole time and you're just being stupid. Stop it. Nice cutoff up there.
Sorts of people. You know. Me? Yeah, because, you know, fuck those psychic frauds. Now, let me tell you how to lose 400 pounds eating nothing but potatoes. Step one, gain 400 pounds.
Pass fail behind me. I'm gonna use that.
He is, but you know what? Like that retrieval of the puck with that amount of speed and that vision, he's shown with the points this year. I think he's going to be just fine. He moves around guys like Makar in the offensive zone. And he walks the line like Sergei Gonchar.
Really? He had to get around one car?
That's high praise by me. You know.
The favorite has won. First of all, the 4-1 season game. Secondly, they beat 3 2s and a 3. There were no Cinderellas at the dance.
I'm not going to block the fucking intersection for you.
Has won outright. They haven't covered every game because Florida hasn't covered.
Of course.
They've won outright the last 14 games.
I think that's a red light run anyways.
14 straight games, the favorite. Texas Tech had 3 pivotal miscues. They had an 8-point lead with 3 minutes to play.
Seriously, you made the right turn from the left lane up there.
And they were the ball player of all time. Absolutely. Do you have a favorite Met of all time?
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Your red light run went viral. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis, when I was dead. Oh, that was close behind me.
There's the catchphrase sort of director that, you know, had the movie that was about the right subject at the right, like, that's like, you know, threading a needle or whatever. So I'm just looking, going like, all right, there's that, you know, and that's just white guys. Forget about fucking racism, sexism, and all of that. So, like, as long as you, like, look at it that way, the pity party ends, and you go like, all right, yeah. I tell.
I never sit around and complain, man. It's just like, let's write jokes. Let's get, you know. Sarah Silverman once said, "Stop complaining and be undeniable." And I took that in. I was like, yeah, man. You know,
oh yeah,
that's a true
I just worked with her. There's this thing coming up on Netflix.
What the fuck are you doing? I have a shot to go.
I don't understand.
Fuck you.
Saying that it's coming out. My emails. If someone said, "Did you get my email?" and I would say, "What is your email?" and then I would search it, and I would get it.
Dude, sometimes I text
but
you,
one day,
and you don't even get it. You know, text you.
Oh yeah.
Red light run. In front of a cop, it's probably not going to do anything. Oh well.
I don't know. Go on to the next question. That's right. It could be anything that they want to know from you. You know. So, including, you know, why is this guy?
Hey. Really? You didn't need to go into this lane. You had plenty of room. No, turn on red. Alright, you might not be able to turn left from there. Remember that intersection, that road angles to the right, but there are no left turn signs, so I don't know what the hell's going on. I actually just edited that video yesterday, so go back to that. What? Where the hell did you come from? I'll let you go, but you're still a pedestrian.
Misses it, but Tugler goes up and tip dunks the missed shot. Now it's a 1-point game. So who do you foul?
Why are you driving up the shoulder?
They pass up fouling Canandaigua, which is smart.
That's a
It's
weird
90% foul shooting. Happens. Roberts gets the rebound.
I don't know what to think about that one. That was weird. Like, just go for the lane, not the shoulder. Shoulder's way over there. Go for the lane. Go for the lane. No stop, Nissan driver. Yep, this is the exciting content that you came here for. So, like and subscribe and keep watching, because I'm sure you'll love this stuff. I promise. Let's get off.
On Simmers, and she just sort of started vamping. I think she said it. She goes, "I almost sounded like I was trying to speak Chinese," and then she tried to make the noise
Let's get off.
The microphone, like cutting in and out, like going like that was like her voice, and she was like,
for a lot of people, except our regular co-host Fraser Smith, and that is.
I don't think you can make a U-turn there. You're not an official state vehicle. And look, there's like cars coming and stuff too. You did everything wrong. Stop it. And are you gonna dive for the exit there too? Yeah, it looks like it did dive, although I don't think the camera will see it. I'm too far away now. The way that I walk and I can't dance, yeah, you can't stop. Really? Nissan driver? Like, you're gonna get to where you're going that much faster with that line of cars there.
Water bottle. Okay, guys, you were right. It is time to do something about that. We should fix that now.
Holy shit, turn your lights off and get out of the left lane.
The atomic makeup of the galactic